Hi guys, George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're in Paphos and we're going to have a look around the new Neon Mall of Paphos. Now there's McDonald's. I think it's a brand new McDonald's, so look out for this place guys, because you're going to have to turn right at McDonald's. It's not signposted for the car park area at the moment. I'm sure they're going to put some signs up soon. So it's free parking, lots of parking spaces, and it looks like it's mostly dominated by the Super Home Centre, but let's go in and find that out, shall we? So it looks like we've got a brand new cafe and restaurant going in on our right. There it is there, they're working on that at the moment. That looks very posh, and looks like we have got a massive shop here. Oh, as I said, it's brand new, so a bit of work going on. So we've got a massive clothes shop here. Looks very reasonably priced, doesn't it? Look at that, look, they've got kids dresses at just €5.50 in there, sweaters at €9, lots of kids stuff. So this enormous clothes shop seems really reasonable, doesn't it guys? Women's, men's, kids, babies. Really great. There's basement parking as well, and there's the WCs at the end. Now there's other shops that are not yet occupied. Look, there's 3 massive shops here. So they've got some very reasonably priced clothes, haven't they? Okay, so we'll have a look around this giant clothes shop, see what there is. There's some nice t-shirts at €10, and look at these hoodies, they're nice, aren't they? They're just €15. Nice and thick, nice quality, aren't they? Oh, lovely quality for €15. They're very reasonable. Or we can have a look at these sweaters. Look, these are just plain sweaters, €9. Oh, these are nice, I like these as well. They are €18. There's some more hoodies. There we are, they're nice. How much are those? They're 15 as well, and they've got the full zip. They're just plain, aren't they? But they are nice. 25 for some unusual ones, and the t-shirts are just €7. Look, €7 for the t-shirts. Oh, jogging bottoms, nice big jogging bottoms at €15. And what are these? These are more sweaters. There we are, €20. So lots of good value clothes for the men. And we'll go on to the ladies department, shall we? Here, if you've got a wedding coming up, look, just €9 for your white shirts. Oh, we've got some nice coloured shirts as well. They're €18. And of course the socks. There we are, lovely thick socks. And they are €5 for a pack of 5. €1 each. That's really reasonable. Now these are bright, aren't they? Look at these coats. They're really bright. They're €40. Cardigans and jumpers at €15. More of these coats in other bright colours. Of course, pyjamas. Oh, some vests for the summer, look. I suspect the summer clothes will be coming out soon as well, won't they? They're just €4. And the pyjamas are €12 or 20. Very reasonable. Now we're coming up to the denim area. €15 for your denim trousers. And we've got all sorts of styles, regular and slim and what have you. Oh, massive array of denim trousers and jackets. Oh, these ones are from €10. They're the smaller teenage sizes. There's the kids stuff down there, lots of kids clothes. There's a ladies joggers, nice and fit, can't they? They're €18. Oh, what, they've got a clearance bit for the children, €2 for little t-shirts. And look at these, €10 for the jogging bottoms for the kids. And these are not clearance, they're regular price, €9 for kids jeans. So that was a great clothes shop, wasn't it, guys? Really reasonably priced stuff. Now we're in the Super Home Centre. There is a massive one down the road. I'm not sure if that one's going to shut down. This is the brown new one. We've got everything in here. Tape measures. Oh, 5 metre tape measures, £2.69. Reasonable. Jet wash. That's a Black & Decker one. The big jet wash is £205. Oh, they're good chairs, aren't they, for the garden? They look really sturdy. Look at these. And they're just under €9 each. They're good, aren't they? You can go for the little ones. They're the same price. That's unusual. I would have thought these would be dearer, but they're not. Look at this garden furniture. Look, the wooden ones. Last wooden set. Oh, I haven't got a price on that. That's a nice set. I like the cushions. 500 for the set. 2 and 1 settee and a little table. There's corner ones there for the garden. They're quite posh, aren't they, guys? Look, goes round the corner there. €1,700. Right. Oh, look at this. Go round here. Got some burner. Look, 269. There we are. That's a good price, isn't it? Round we go. Some nice pots. And looks like we've got some sort of fireplaces for the outdoors. €400. Look, that's all in glass. It's very posh, isn't it? It's more of a feature than anything. And look, we've got some outdoor fires. Look at that, look. Very modern, isn't it? It's a modern square barbecue, €163. Of course, when you buy your stoves, you're going to have to buy bits of chimney as well. But they're not too bad. Look, €4.29 for the bend. Oh, look, you can buy a fire pit. And they're €50 for a big fire pit. Quite nice, isn't it? In the evenings, put a little fire. Right, so we've got the power tools, of course. Any special offers on the power tools? The Makita, that's quite good. Oh, things for your bikes. Bike section here. There we are. Helmets up there, and bikes. €16 and €20, all your safety stuff. And oh, safety equipment. Oh look, crew's got some safety equipment just in case we go to a hotel that's not quite finished yet. Covers for your car. Now if you're here only a few months of the year and you've got a car here, these are good. The covers, €32. Now we do need a steering wheel cover. We're not sure what size though. So here we are, there's the steering wheel covers. €9 for that one. Nice cushiony covers for your car, €13. Wood as well. Wow. Oh, 4 pieces for €20. I thought there was €20 each. Oh, these are the pads to put underneath the chairs. Stops scratching your furniture. There's all your nuts and bolts. Oh, padlocks. Massive amount of padlocks you can choose from. Oh, some plumbing stuff. What's that for? Oh, unblock your drains. €3. Quite handy. Now guys, we've got lots of snow up the Troodos mountains, and here's where you get your snow chains for your cars. Okay, they're about €30. And your jump leads for your car are reasonably priced, 20 odd euros for good ones. And of course your antifreeze. So be prepared for the really cold weather up the Troodos mountains. Look, they've even got quilts here, €20. And of course these lovely blankets, because it's cold at night in the houses over here. The houses are made to be cool. Bit of a downside if you're over here in the winter. Right, let's go to the pet section. So it looks like we've got all sorts of things for your loved pets. We've got all the food, and oh, look at this, look, a little basket for your cat to swing around in. Don't know if they're going to like that. It's quite small. Look, it's a posh litter box or wigwam, €25 I can hide in. Just going to get the cats a little snack. Oh, that looks nice, turkey. And they've got the baskets here. All cupboards, aren't they? They're sweet. Look at them. €109. Oh, some economic sofas, €190. Chairs. They've even got office chairs there. Rugs. And if you want some artificial grass or some laminate flooring, they've got it here. Laminate flooring, look, €14 a square metre. They've even got grass starting at €9. That's quite a good one actually, because it's not too thick, easy to clean. €9 a square metre. They've even got a garden section. Look at these rugs, look, that's a nice one, isn't it? €340. Oh, they go right down to, look, that one there, €85. Or fluffy ones, look at these fluffy ones, €240. They're hard wearing, €95. Oh, loads of rugs to choose from. So there's that massive clothes shop and the super home centre, and of course there's going to be a cafe and a few other shops going to open up behind me. So there's the new little shopping mall at Paphos. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.